who started his career with the Indian Navy, who went on to become a very wonderful officer. And as you all know, Indian Defense Forces inculcate a very high level of discipline, very high level of commitment into a being, and they make gems out of common people. Okay, so people like you and me, when we go and join the defense forces, we become completely transformed from what we are, and that is the beauty of our armed forces. They make a gem out of a stone. Okay, in Amex Inspiring series, we completely believe in learning from the experiences of others, so that we can, try to be equally good like them. Okay, if not better than them. And we find a meaning for life other than, you know uh, the materialistic thing that go around us. So that is why Amex means focus and experience. Many times when you read books, you are given examples of such legends whom you can hardly meet. Like if I talk about Bill Gates, you can only read about him. It is very hard to meet persons like him. But I believe that there are more talented, more better living legends that we know in our textbooks. And my endeavor is to bring to you such living legends that look like you and me, that are around us, but we don't know about them, or we hardly know about them. Okay. So with this, I welcome Lieutenant Commander Mr. Praveen Tulpale. Welcome, sir.
Jai Hind and happy birthday to everybody all around there. And such a nice thing, sir, that you have organized such a wonderful group of people around here to listen to somebody who actually doesn't look like a normal person. But yes, I am otherwise a very, very normal person. But just to make people around me happy, I'm dressed like this. See, it's different.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Very warm welcome to you. There are students, teachers, uh, professionals like me from industry who are logged into this. We have students in form of classes wherein the live broadcast of this session is being made. And we are also telecasting it live on the hosting school ATL page. That is the Ma Anandmai Memorial School in Dehradun, Raiwala. It
This
has
is
a very
indeed a
rich
proud
history.
privilege.
Yeah, Ma Anandmai Memorial School has a very rich history, and many academic gems have passed out from that school. So I'm very happy to collaborate with you and Ma Anandmai Memorial School, and I'm very happy to have everybody here. So with your kind permission, let us start the session.
All yours, sir. Let's march on.
Thank you. I would like to inform the participants that we will definitely give you an opportunity to interact with Happy Uncle, that is, we call him, or Magical Clown, that we call with love. Uh, and you will definitely get this opportunity to interact with him at the back end of this session, so that we can save on time and we can enjoy these moments together. So, so what would you like me to call you? Lieutenant Commander, Commander, or Mr. Praveen Tulpale, or you would like me to call you Happy Uncle or Magical Clown? What do you love being
Yes,
called?
I have so many names with me that at times it becomes difficult. But आप जानते हो कि once a Fauji, always a Fauji. That at heart it will always remain there, even after you retire and even after I go away from this world. But then right now, since my avatar is of Happy Uncle, It will be very difficult for people to identify with a service officer in this image. So I think we should go ahead with Happy Uncle or the club.
Yes. So uh, I would like that our participants first benefit out of your journey as an officer in Indian Navy. So my first question to you, sir, is can you please give us a small introduction about you? How you from where do you belong? Then how gradually you went into the Indian Navy,
Okay.
and the many positions that Indian Navy allows you to share with us, the experiences that you had with the such a royal organization. Uh, on to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Malik Saab, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I started off like most of us do from a very, very normal, common, middle class Indian family. Nothing extraordinary about my family. Just like you and I, we are ordinary people doing ordinary stuff. At times, we get something to shine about. Father was in the government service. We got transferred from place to place. Mother was a teacher, so that was an added advantage for us at school and at home also. But I come from a family where there was no pressure. There was no pressure whatsoever that I had to join a particular stream of science or arts or commerce, or because my father liked a particular sport, I had to follow that sport only or one discipline. No, we were given the option of exploring all over, and whatever was good, decent, and legal, we were allowed to do that. We were always supported. And believe me, sir, when I say this, I'm not lying. My mother was a teacher, but she never insisted that I should come in the first three, first five, or even first 10 in the class. She used to be happy that I used to pass gracefully, not with grace marks, gracefully, and go ahead. The idea was to be an all rounder, to know everything around me, place your sports, be a part of the dramatics or the theater group, do some activity outside. At the same time, keep your academic also going along with a smooth pace. That's how we progressed. So we were allowed to go for picnics, we were allowed to go for outings, we were allowed to play cricket, football, hockey, whatever. There was nothing spared that, okay, you cannot do this. In my house, a girl or a boy was not differentiated. My sister used to do almost everything that we as boys would do. And even we would allowed to be in the kitchen and help mama or do some small work in the kitchen, because there's no work that is dedicated only for a boy or a girl, is what we thought. That helped. Gradually, that helped. And somewhere when I was 13, 14 years of age, 13 actually, my sister got married. And she got married to a wonderful naval officer, the white uniform. She must have fallen for that uniform, of course, like a lot of ladies and young girls also have a fancy, very rightly, for the uniform. But this was perhaps a little different case where a boy also fell in love with the uniform. I would have joined some uniform service, that was at the back of my mind. पर मैं नेवी ही ज्वाइन करूंगा. I was not very sure whether I would join the navy only. Thinking back, perhaps if my sister had married an army officer or an air force officer, I would have tried and followed his footsteps, because I could have got a lot of counseling and mentoring from him. But this was the case, and it continued. I went to school like everybody does. I passed my 10th standard, 12th standard, went to my science stream, did my graduation, and then I applied for the SSB, the Naval Entry, Direct Entry Scheme for Graduates, GSCS it is called. And after my due training, which we will come to later on, I was commissioned as a commissioned officer. Now, nobody less than the President of India grants you that commission, such a thing of pride and privilege. Yeah, they do make you strive and sweat for it. You don't just get it off the platter. You got to work for it. But then nothing in the world comes free for anybody, not me, not you, nor nobody. We got to work for that. And that is how, like you were rightly saying, the Navy gives you a sense of purpose, a sense of discipline, a sense of direction. That is how it kept on grooming me. I'm not even touching on the part as of now as to why this and how this came into being, because my naval career was also so very nice. I got to explore various locations, various type of ships, various types of operations, various type of duties I could do. I underwent a course which qualified me to become a communication specialist. When I passed out of that course, I was posted on board INS Virat, the mighty aircraft carrier, as the electronic warfare officer. Things continued. I was on loan to the army for 2 years and I was posted in Assam. Younger days, I was even an instructor in the Naval Academy, the place where I was groomed and brought up. I was sent back to train and groom the younger people who come there. What better choice and what better way to say thank you to my alma mater? And it continued, and there's nothing that the Navy doesn't prepare you for. It actually separates out the boys from the men and makes them men. You are a very raw piece of unmolded clay when you go and join the forces, and they just don't pick up any clay from the road. Like in my example, I'll tell you, when I qualified for my selection, throughout the country, hundreds and thousands of boys of my age would have applied. UPSC, we were shortlisted. The top few people were selected for the services selection board. There you undergo a rigorous screening in terms of your physical abilities, your mental abilities, psychological abilities. They screen you as to whether you are capable of becoming a leader. At the same time, they also screen you as to see whether you can take orders and follow when you're a junior, if you can follow a senior officer. It's not only being a leader. And at the right age, I mean, a very ripe age of about 21, 22, you're given the charge of men and you who are older than you, who have more experience than you have, but you are their unit officer. That is the responsibility you get at a young age. They really groom you. There is, I mean, it is like doing three MBAs together and becoming a manager suddenly of so many people. And you're not only are taking care of them, you're taking care of their lives, physical life and death. That brings a little more responsibility to you. It grooms you to do anything, almost anything that is possible. It tells you not to step back. Once you've taken a decision, go ahead. And that's it. Basically, it grooms you to fight a war against anything. So even if you step out of uniform tomorrow, you're still a soldier at heart. फौजी बोलो, नेवी का soldier बोलो, सैनिक बोलो, नौसैनिक बोलो, sailor बोलो, you're still there. I could go on and on and on, sir, but then we have a little limitation of time. So I will ask you to stop me as and when you want to, because
Sure.
we don't want my biography to be narrated here. We would like children and my other friends to have some more interesting facts also.
Exactly. So to go a bit more into your journey as a naval officer, uh, what all kind of ships you have been?
Okay, so I have been on a minesweeper, where a minesweeper is basically a ship that clears the road, the path around your major ports and major installations, the sea around that. The enemy would have laid mines so that when your ships come there, they get blown up. It's like a bomb underwater. So these minesweepers are basically tasked with clearing that. It's like a traffic clearance or a roadblock clearance. So you go, so you're at the biggest risk. You know there's a mine there, or you suspect there's a mine there, and it is still your job to clear that minefield. One wrong mistake on somebody's part, and your ship could boom, and then boom. So I've served on a minesweeper, of course.
Yeah, I would like to tell the participants over here that there is a wonderful movie, Ghazi. This is a Pakistan naval submarine, Ghazi, that tried to come to Indian waters to destroy our and aircraft carrier, and it laid many mines, and then eventually this PNS Ghazi was destroyed by our naval ships, and it is a very historical moment. There is a very wonderful movie on it, how naval officers risk their lives on the high seas. And it looks very simple to be on a ship. It looks very simple to just go there in white uniform and enjoy the life. But no, 2 days into the seas, mm, you start vomiting out.
Yes, the roll and the pitch of the ship disturbs
Exactly,
that fluid in your ear, and you cannot maintain your balance, and you start feeling giddy. Not everybody, you start feeling giddy, you
exactly,
start throwing up, there's no appetite, and you feel I would rather die than be sailing. But you
yeah,
overcome that also.
exactly. So many times people feel that, oh, the life of a naval sailor is so wonderful. You go to countries, you go to places, and you enjoy being on the sail. And but it's the most toughest life uh, to be on the high seas. And if you are a naval on a naval ship, then definitely you are not there to picnic or on a vacation. You are there to guard the frontiers of your country, and that's really
True,
amazing.
you are
So
actually at the mercy of the element of water, and if you do not respect it, it will have no respect for you.
exactly, I was coming to this point. What is that one great learning that you have taken out of your journey as a officer in Indian Navy? Probably you said it right.
Ah, yes, exactly. I mean, this not only applies, sir, to the Navy as such, but whatever is your work area, whatever is your field of work, if you do not respect the basic ethos there, you'll get thrown out. You'll not be able to stand. You have to be true to yourself, you have to be true to your profession, and only then can you expect good results. If I know, if I do not know my job on a ship as to how to steer the ship, how to stay away from hazards and all, and I think ठीक है जैसे आपने बोला बस you just like a car steering wheel, go left, go right, go port, go starboard, and all those things. Obviously, it's not going to work. I should understand the entire working of the ship. When you learn to drive a car, you don't only know the accelerator and the brake, right? You know how to clutch, you know how to slow down, when to pick up, when to slow down, when to pull to the left or the right. All these things apply to the same vessel or vehicle that is floating on the water.
Exactly.
There's no two ways about that, sir.
Also, I would like to help. I would like you to help me in clearing one myth that the general public or common people have, is
I
that
will try.
navy means all about being in the sea, in the ocean. But actually, uh, let me give you an example. Everybody, there are marine commandos, Marcos, the most uh, sharp commandos in the globe that we have in India. It's in Indian Navy. Uh, the naval officers or naval commandos, they are like Lieutenant Commander Praveen Tulpale himself said that he was posted in Assam. He was on a loan to Indian Army. Now, army is all about land, but still a naval officer goes on an attachment to a army unit. Sir, I would like you to please help everybody to understand that it is not just the high seas or oceans that you serve, but it is also on the land and maybe in the air also that you serve. Like
Exactly. Very,
the Dorniers are
very
right
right.
now posted in Ladakh, uh, and they are scanning the Ladakh mountains
Yes.
for the Chinese intrusions, if any.
True. True. Uh, for being on a vessel, I mean, to be in the Navy doesn't just mean that you pack your bags, go on the ship, and sail. Of course, you do that. But then there always has to be a back end. There has to be a dock. There has to be a port. There has to be the workshops. There have to be the docks where your ship can come, dock, get itself repaired if there's a problem, and go back. So they have to be engineers. They have to be mechanics. They have to be specialists in electrical part, the mechanical part, the marine part. Not only that, then you have to have specialists who look after the radars or the sonars or the gunnery system, the missile systems. So there's a whole range of things which is based ashore, It's like your support system, without which you can do nothing. Not only that, you also have to have a logistics system, which will take care that enough rations are loaded on the ship at the right time. Everybody is taken care of, because you cannot go empty stomach, right? The army, they say, marches on its stomach. If your stomachs are not taken care of, how long will your army last? 2 days, 3 days. After that, you are sitting duck for everybody else. So everything is there, and you rightly said, there is also an air wing, aviation wing. There are also divers, there are commandos. Army has an air wing. So we, everywhere, there's an element of service which is present. Just sailing on a ship is one part of being in the Navy. Everybody cannot be on the ship. There have to be people ashore to do the planning, to do the strategic discussions. So who does all that? If everybody is sailing, yahan pe kaun hoga?
Right.
Who will take care of the defense installations, the ports? You have to be there.
And if I'm not wrong, even the stations, naval stations, like you have one in Lonavala, uh, these stations are also, if I'm not wrong, they are named as INS Shivaji. Though it is like a cantonment, but you still call it as INS.
That is to give it an identity of being a naval unit. And a Shivaji, like most of us would be aware of it, it's an engineering college. It's a marine engineering college in Lonavala, near between Bombay and Pune. Like we have got another establishment in Gujarat, which is the electrical engineering college. And there are many other institutes. They all call INS, or Indian Naval Ships. Even the hospitals are called Indian Naval Hospital Ships. Like there's one in Bombay called Ashwini. Cochin has got Sanjeevani. So these are all being naval units. They are given the title of being a ship. It's not called a attachment or a medical.
Exactly. So it always gives you a feeling of being on a ship, irrespective of whether you are at a place like Lonavala, where there is no sea, or you are in a place called Vishakhapatnam, where you are actually on a sea. So very wonderful terminologies, amazing philosophy and thoughts that make you a sailor.
True.
Now coming to your transformation from a naval officer to a clown. I mean, I have never seen such an example that somebody has left his job on his own will. That too from a royal organization like Indian Navy or Armed Forces of India, and then decides to be a clown. अगर हिंदी में कहे तो एक मतलब आपको घबराहट महसूस नहीं हुई कि कोई क्या कहेगा कि ये आप एक जोकर क्यों बनना चाहते हो?
क्लाउन को किस बात की घबराहट?
क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है
fools fly in where angels dare not step in, something like that. But obviously this change, ये जो change हुआ, this was not an overnight change that one morning I woke up and I decided, okay, I want to be a clown now. कोई दृष्टांत नहीं हुआ था, कोई sudden enlightenment नहीं हुई थी. It kept on growing in me gradually. So let's go back a few years before even I joined the Navy, when I was a youngster. I hope we got enough time. It will take about 5 minutes more.
Yes.
Discuss this.
We have enough time. Time is never a problem now. Thanks to Arjun from Mahananmai Memorial School, he takes care that we do not lose the connectivity. And thank you, Arjun and Mahananmai team.
Brilliant. Thank you, Arjun sir. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that support. So what happened is, like any boy, perhaps even a girl today, at some time in life, your uncle, your dad, or your friend, or somebody's father, or somebody gives you a magic trick. Become a magician. There's a small box, 10, 15 tricks. Everybody loves to be a magician. Psychologically, everybody loves to do magic, not because of the magic part, but because it gives you an idea or a feeling that you're fooling the other person. हिंदी में आपने किसी का उल्लू बनाया. Everybody knows there is nothing called magic, right? What Arjun बताया ना आपने, जो technical support हमको दे रहे हैं अभी,
Yeah, Arjun is ATL in charge of Mananmay Memorial School,
Yeah, so
Atal Tinkering
Arjun sir
Laboratory.
जो कर रहे हैं, जो अर्जुन सर अभी कर रहे हो, मेरे लिए that is magic. I can't understand. I don't do it. I cannot do it. So what somebody else does and I cannot do, that is magic for me. और मैंने अगर कुछ कर दिखाया, that is magic for you. If you do not understand, if you catch me, it is not even a trick. And this is how I started way back in 73, 74 with a few tricks that I'd learned from a couple of friends of my uncle. That it grew to such an extent that I started exploring. I started buying second-hand books on the pavement in South Mumbai, Fort area. And it continued to such an extent that within about a year or so, I had enough tricks of my own to gather all the children from my residential complex where I was staying there. The previous night, me and my cousin sat down and made tickets, I think 5 paise and 10 paise. I'm talking about 74 or 75, 1974 or 75. Carbon paper rakke, we made tickets. My mother was told to leave the house for a little while. Father was posted in Delhi those days. I wore a shirt. I wore my father's dressing gown, जो घर पे पहनते. And I became a magician. The show was houseful, and because I did not have much money, I was a schoolboy. I did not have much money, so all of the tricks, actually, not even most, were actually made by hand by me. And nothing purchased. So it is a different pleasure कि आपने कुछ बनाया and you showing it off to people and you're fooling people. Whatever little money I generated from there, I bought some tricks, and I bought one very important thing in those days, a rubber stamp, which read Praveen Tulpule. Sorry, which read Magician Praveen. Because I had become a magician. And believe me, whatever came in front of me had the stamp Magician Praveen. I did not care whether it is your notebook or your textbook or my notebook or newspaper or whatever. I just kept on stamping, stamping, stamping because Magician Praveen had arrived. And this continued through my school life, through my college life, and even my naval career. Though I was not given entry into the Navy because I was a magician. I was a cadet who had qualified all the tests. I was judged on that. But it always helped me to be an entertainer because I never had that stage fright. I was never scared of standing in front of people and talking to them extempore, even without a subject at hand. And that all encouraged me to get better and better gradually. All through, all I was doing is fooling people. It gives you a lot of happiness when you fool people. That is our human psychology. किसी को सॉरी पर किसी को बेवकूफ बनाने में बहुत मजा आता है.
With a noble intention.
That came later on, frankly, sir. When initially I had no intention of being a clown or being a happy this thing, I was happy. I was very, very satisfied and happy being a naval officer.
Okay.
I did not give up the Navy because I was upset with the Navy or I was sad in the Navy. No. I was very happy and content with what the Navy was doing to me and I was doing with the Navy. I got to learn a lot of things and I could have learned some more things also. So I do not regret having left the Navy, but yes, I do miss the Navy.
That's
What
really
happened
nice.
was, all through my naval career also, I was like the unit entertainer, which was an undisclosed designation. It was nowhere in my charter of duties. It was always understood that if Praveen is there and there's some event happening in the occasion, anniversary or a picnic or something, Praveen will be there. He'll be able to take care also. He'll be able to arrange some entertainment also. Thoda jadoo bhi dikhayega. He'll be a glorified babysitter for the children also. It continued. Navy Week celebrations and NGOs through the Navy we would help and all. And I was always game for that. What I did not realize, sir, is all this was indirectly training me to be an entertainer when I step out. See, I told you, Navy prepares you for everything. ये Navy के charter of duties में नहीं था कि Tulpule has to be groomed to become an entertainer when he goes out. The Navy did not pay me for that. The Navy is not meant for that. But because of the other thing that I was doing, gradually I got encouraged to do that. My commanding officers were very kind to me. They allowed me to do that. Before that, let me go back to my school days again. those days also, I don't think एक आध दो बार शायद मैंने सोचा होगा that when I grow up I'll be a professional magician. I'm talking about 75, 76. But then that did not last long in my mind for two, three reasons. एक तो even today, there are not many people who survive on magic. There are, but there are still handful. Very few, far and few. Those days, I'm not comparing with those stalwarts and greats of Indian cricket like Wadekar ji and Sunil Gavaskar ji, but they also had a job. Somebody was in a bank, a very senior officer in a bank or with Tata's company or something, and they would on the side also play cricket for India. They were not full-time cricketers like we have today. Cricket was not a full-time career. So मेरा magician बनना as a और magician एक career के तौर पे choose करना was not even a dream. और अगर मैं उस तरफ उस time वो सोचता even if I had given it a thought that I want to be a magician, I don't think my parents would have greeted it very nicely. But I'm very happy and thankful that my parents never discouraged me from doing magic. They may not have told me, okay, Praveen, go and become a magician. No. But they also never said, isko haath nahi lagayega. Because they knew, they're coming from a good, decent, educated background, both of them, they knew that I was not doing something that either people outside feel, ye kala jadoo hai, you have to go to the crematorium or smashan mein kuch puja karo, paat karo, bhoot pret hai. They knew this is nothing like that. Everything that I would do could be explained in terms of science, which I would not share with everybody. It was basically a science, physics, or chemistry happening, which would help me do my trick. So thankful to my parents who allowed me to do that, and thankful to the Navy who groomed me indirectly for being an entertainer. I
Really
slowly
amazing.
started realizing, thank you, sir, thank you so much. I wish all parents, I mean, all parents are wonderful people. There's no doubt about that. I'm not putting down any parent, but we need to give a little scope to the hobby that the child has and let him explore, guide him, coax him, hold his hand, but don't push him. Hold his hand, make it stronger. Don't twist his hand and take him in one direction.
Great message. I think that is what I would say the best part of this session is. This is the learning that we can have from your parents, both as a student as well, and as parents as well. That you must confidently pursue what you believe in, and at the same time, as a parent, believe in your child also. Okay.
Exactly.
Let the exploration journey move on unhindered. Okay. Now, before we actually go into your amazing skills of a clown, some few last questions. I was going through your profile on internet. I was going through your story on internet, and I came across your first experience after you decided to be a clown and spread the happiness around. Is that story of that child uh, you went for? Would you like to share it with everyone?
I would love to share it because that is the turning point in my life as a clown. While I was in the Navy, okay, I was doing small time magic, friends, child's birthday party, unit get togethers, mess get togethers, and all. But like I said, I was only fooling people. And not everybody likes to be fooled all the while. एक आध बार जादू किया, थोड़ा सा मस्करी किया, ठीक है. But if I'm going to keep fooling you every time and try and say that, see, I fooled you, you will never like me after the first 10 minutes. You'll avoid me. So I started wondering, what can I do to make people happy with what I'm doing? That I should be able to do my magic. At the same time, the other person in front of me should not look like an idiot. Because I may not say you're an idiot, but I'm telling that person you're an idiot. See, you cannot catch me. आपके नाक के सामने कर रहा हूँ, you're not able to catch me. Right? That is what actually happens when you're looking at a magic show. He's fooling you. You've gone there to see how he's going to fool you, and perhaps some people are waiting to catch the magician. But the magician obviously has put in so many years of practice that he doesn't allow you to catch him. So it's a fight of wits. It's a battle of wits. I only wanted the wits to be exchanged and I didn't want the battle there. I wanted it to end on a win-win situation where I'm happy that I have fooled him and he's happy that he was fooled and he was entertained at the same time. That is how I started working with children and everybody. I started working with colors on my face. My costume started, it was a very garish and loud costume what I used to wear earlier. Now I have toned down quite a bit. I have toned it down. Yeah. Otherwise, very loud colors I used to wear, loud combinations I used to wear, but now. So what happened one day, somewhere in the year 2000, middle of 2000 perhaps, yeah. A family friend called me up and she said, Praveen, we are entertaining some children this Sunday. Will you want to come and this thing? We would be very happy. Come and entertain them, do some magic and all. I said, yeah, Sunday. Hai. And those days also, most of the shows, today, most of the shows, I don't take money for that. Those days, because I was already a government officer, a gazetted government officer, I was not taking money for anything. I didn't need to. The government was paying me handsomely. So there was no question of money. So I just had to take permission from my commanding officer that I'll be away from so and so time to so and so time for a good cause. And it was allowed. While I was just disconnecting that call, that lady said, Praveen, Praveen. I said, Kya hua? This is, can you come with that red nose and colorful clothes so that the children will be very happy? And that is the time when I was experimenting with my character. So this gave me one new area to do a study. So I said, I will reach. And on the appointed time, in the Navy, they say be two things. Be where you're supposed to be and do what you're supposed to do. Part one is very easy. Being in time, be where you're supposed to be. Do what you're supposed to do is a little difficult. Because what you're supposed to do is decided by your boss. And you may not actually be able to execute what he wants. So I did the first part beautifully. I went where I was supposed to be in costume. And when I went there, I got a shock. Because I saw a room full of children, small, 5, 7, 3, 6, 4, like that. All of them had one thing in common. They were all cancer patients. Now, this was a shock. Somebody was wearing a mask, which is a very regular thing today. If nobody is wearing a mask, we get worried. Those days, if you wore a mask, people would get worried. And when you find 20, 25 children lined up in front of you, mask or a cap, no hair, I didn't know what I was doing. So part one, I had done very one nicely, be where I was supposed to be. But I was not sure, do what you're supposed to do, I would be able to do. I had two options. Get back to my car, call up the lady and say, sorry, I think I made a mistake. Apologize and leave. ये मेरी बस की बात नहीं है. Or be a man. Do what the Navy has taught you to do what you're supposed to be doing. That lady had expected me to go and entertain those children and do your part. Fortunately, I did the second thing. I did that. I went in and entertained the children and the party went off beautifully. There was no issue in that. We had nice, typical bacha log birthday party, cake, wafers, sandwich, chutney. Thank you very much. But while I was doing my magic, there was one small child, a boy, who got very friendly with me. He used to go behind me. If I go this side, he will follow me this side. That side, he would follow me that side. He would go to the table and try and see what is in my bag, that magic bag that I was carrying. So people actually thought he's my partner or he knows me. My Jamura sort of birth. A lot of pictures taken and all. Sham ko party khatam. Everybody went from wherever they had come. I also went back home. Story over. Or so I thought. Monday gaya. Tuesday morning, this lady calls me up and says, Praveen, aaj ko paper dekha. Did you check the papers today? I said, no, I'm still just in office now. I was on a shore posting those days. And she said, check. And she suggested a name. I sent one of my boys to get my newspaper. And there, I think on page 4, 5 or 6, this side, 5 or 7, there was this black and white picture of me in my funny clown costume and that young, small child, beautiful person along with me. And some NGO had sponsored and everything, and thank you, thank you, thank you, and all those things. I felt very nice. A naval officer being featured in a newspaper is, and nothing for to do with the Navy. Not that I had shot a missile or I had caught a traitor or a spy or something like that. I was just entertaining some children. It was a very, very big thing for me. It made me world famous in my small complex. Problem, I thanked that lady and matter ended. Again, I thought it ended. It was just about to start. Couple of days later, I thought I should say something, and that lady called up again for some other thing. And then I told her, "Hey, I want to say thank you to that boy because he made me famous. Uski karan, my picture was printed in the newspaper, and it's such a wonderful thing." And she says, "Sorry, Praveen, it can't happen because that child is no more." And that was a shock. 2 days back, I had seen him. We had played around, we had done magic together, and today that child is no more. We knew he had cancer, we knew he was sick. I didn't know he would go away so early. We kept talking about that child and other children, and she told me that that particular child who passed away, he had a list of things to do. All of us have a to-do list, or what they call today a bucket list, right? Uske list mein there was one thing, perhaps number 1, 2, 7, 10, 25, whichever serial number it was, that said, I want to meet a joker. Was I the joker? I started asking myself that question. Was I the joker that child wanted to meet before he left this world? Was I instrumental in fulfilling at least one of his wishes he had? Was I instrumental in his death? Sad. I thought perhaps if I had not met him, he would have survived, or he would have lived a little longer. Perhaps in agony, in pain, but he would have lived a little longer. But the second part of my brain said, "Good Praveen, you met him, and perhaps because that was satisfied, his body took a rest for a long time. He's no more suffering. His suffering has ended." That is the time I realized I have much more to do in life than just be a naval officer. I can give happiness to people, even terminally ill people. I can make them happy. I can make them smile. I can fulfill their wish. I think my calling is different. I should step out of the white uniform. I decided to even change my name from Praveen to whenever I be a clown, I'll be happy. Because if I am not happy, I cannot make people happy. If I carry a bag which is empty, I cannot give anything to anybody. So my bag has to have something. And if I'm going to make people happy, I have to have happiness inside me. And if I call myself happy, I will always be happy. Bertrand Russell, Sir Bertrand Russell, the great thinker, has a quotation. He's got many quotations. He's got one quotation. Loosely translated, it says, "A good life as I perceive it is a happy life." Not that if you're good, you'll be happy, but if you're happy, you'll be good. Idea is just be happy in whatever you do. Find happiness in small things. That's what I try to do.
And if you
It was
can make
difficult.
and if you can make others happy, then you're next to God.
I God or otherwise are far too big things, sir. I would not even
Because
want to go near
yeah,
that.
because it's very easy to destroy something. It's very easy to destroy or make somebody feel bad, but it
That's true.
takes a lot of efforts to create something or to make somebody smile. And
100%.
if you are
100%.
doing it, it may look very easy, it may look very, I can also do it kind of thing, but
Ji,
actually it needs a lot of commitment and efforts.
it does. I'll
uh,
just tell one more thing that happened with me because Navy, you don't join. I want to join the Navy. You stand in the queue and you get inside the Navy. It is not like that. It's a rigorous process. The Ministry of Defense, government, check, check. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. It's a rigorous process. It's a long, drawn out process, very systematically and scientifically developed. They have invested money in you, training you. So you can't just one day go to your commanding officer and say, okay, sir, thank you very much, all my salutes, and I'm going. Jai Hind. Does not happen like that. You have to make an application. It has to be first cleared by your commanding officer. Then it goes to the regional headquarters, then the area headquarters, then your Navy in the Delhi area, and then it goes to MOD, Ministry of Defense, to clear it, and then it comes back the same way. When I decided to leave the Navy, I had only 17 years of service with me. As a commissioned officer, I would need at least 20 years of service to qualify for my minimum pension. And here I was at the age of, 17 years in the Navy. I was saying I want to quit. In the sense, I want to leave, not quit. People were astonished, shocked. My brother-in-law also, who was an inspiration for me, he was shocked. My parents were also shocked. Everybody tried to dissuade me. Wait for 2.5, 3 years, and then you go ahead with what you want, and then you pursue your passion and your this thing also. But I was very firm. My family stood with me. My kids were very, very happy about me because they thought, "Ab to Baba ghar pe rahega." Happiness. My parents were happy, and they only told me that you're approaching 40 now. So perhaps you know what you're doing. If you are, especially my mom, she said, if you are going to be happy what you're doing, go ahead. And that's exactly what I did. I went out. I had to forego my lifelong pension for this. I do not regret that. I have no pension. I have no medical facilities from the Navy. 17 and a half years of service I have put in, but I do not regret that. Yes, I miss my naval life. I repeat, I miss my naval life, but I'm also happy that I'm doing something outside which is equally beautiful, just as respectful or respected as what I would have done in the Navy. Had I not left at that time, sir, believe me, had I not left at that time, after a few months, that passion would have, something else would have taken over. Perhaps my daughter's education, followed by my son's graduation or education and everything, and priorities would have kept changing. And if I had waited for 20 years, then I would have said 20, 22, 24, let me wait until 56. And after 56, now who wants to be a clown? And I would have just
Amazing.
sat at the home and read a newspaper and gone to sleep every day.
Amazing. And this is the reason why I try to focus uh, upon your journey, your experiences. I did not wanted this session to become a typical, just your clown skill session. But actually, this is the lesson that we need to take from you. You sacrificed your hard-earned money, benefits, comfort, everything almost. And it was not like that you were a bachelor. You had a family, and still you went ahead to do this. The lesson that we can take from this is, if you want to perceive your passion, if you want to really sincerely do something, then don't look for a comfortable environment. Everything will fall in place and then I will do this and that. No. If your passion is really serious, if you are not faking your passion, then you will go to any extent, at any cost, to perceive your dreams, to perceive what you believe in. And this is what makes legend out of common people. Those who
So you
can take
cannot,
this risk.
sorry,
I'm
you
so
cannot
sorry.
fake your passion.
Yeah. Usually what happens is, uh, people say, this is my interest, this is my passion. Actually, it is not. It is just an infatuation. For that moment, you like that. And you rightly said, if I would have, I would have stayed back for say 6 months or 1 year, these situations would have made me think about something else. You decided not to get bogged down by, say, either the risks that you are taking, and at the same time, dunia kya kahegi. Okay. Because I can tell
I have
you,
something to, I have something to say there. Up कल पहले clear कर लो.
yeah, I can tell you, um, when you have a family, uh, the the biggest question that usually your family uh, is most the dearest question for your family is, पापा कहाँ काम करते हैं? So
I was coming to that.
saying somebody, किसी को बताना कि जैसे अगर मेरी 2 बेटियां हैं और I am known to be a very straightforward and a very strict HR guy. So sometimes when I used to leave my job and come back because I could not compromise on my ethics, my wife used to say कि बच्चे स्कूल में क्या कहेंगे कि पापा कहाँ काम करते हैं? So then I used to tell her कि बच्चों को कहना कि कहे कि पापा जो भी करते हैं वो ऐसा करते हैं कि जिससे हमें उन पे प्राउड होता है। वो
Wonderful.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं करते हैं जिससे हमें शर्म आती हो। So मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था कि आपकी भी फैमिली थी और आपकी फैमिली अभी तक एक इंडियन नेवी ऑफिसर की फैमिली कहलाई जाती थी, and your decision would have changed that status forever. And still,
Very true, sir. Very true. Like being in the Navy, being in the force, being in the cantonment, your children are living in a beautiful area which is very, very protected. The environment and the surroundings are very protected physically, socially also. But when you come out on the civil streets, you actually come to know कि जो आपका neighbor है, he is different.
exactly,
He is still an Indian. He still loves India just as much as you do. But his priorities may be different. When I greet you or this thing, today I say happy birthday. Otherwise, I would say Jai Hind.
Ji,
My neighbor may not say that.
Ji,
Your priorities change. And second thing, what I was saying is, uh, if somebody has to tell a boy, your dad is a joker, या फिर very crudely तेरा बाप joker है, a boy would get upset. But my son would be happy. I say, you know, my dad is a clown. I'm so happy. You know, my dad is a clown.
that is the most wonderful part of your family. May it be your parents, may it be your immediate immediate family like your children and all. They have supported so wonderfully you, and they have such a wonderful understanding of you. This is amazing. Salute to them.
They support me even today. Whenever they get time, they are in full clown costume with me. They're always backing me up.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
That with
So,
that
sir,
support, I can go on and on and on.
exactly. So now the stage is yours. You can now launch your happiness mission with our
Okay, I will
participants.
not. I do not know exactly what the time is. Yeah, we still have a lot of time. So before I go into all those funny things or apparently funny things I'm going to tell you and show you, I just want to show everybody something very simple. Can everybody see this, or should I go back a little bit so that there's no confusion? Yeah, I just want to show that what I'm about to do is nothing very different than what you are able to do. I can show you a handkerchief like this in front of you. I'm not doing magic at all. I'm just showing you anybody can do this. I can hold the center of my handkerchief like that. I can hold it here. But if I say, come, 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 that handkerchief bends like that towards me. See, this anybody can do. And there is absolutely nothing in this handkerchief. The best part is anybody can do it. I'll show you exactly what I meant. When I say anybody can do it, I can actually I'll show you something better. Before we actually go into the tricks, a plain simple handkerchief that we have, you hold the center there, and can you see this? Yes. I'm just going to poke it inside my hand, my fist, inside the, yeah, it is still there. It is just going inside. Now I hope we get more people to join us, because now is the thing when I'll actually start wondering what has happened. When I do this, it goes away. And now people start wondering, where did it go? Actually, it has not gone anywhere. If you really notice, it has not gone anywhere. It is there, right there inside my hand here. You can't see that. I know, because there's a small hole that I got cut there. I just have to open it and put my hand inside there, and I can take it out from there. Now, because I can do this, I tell people this is magic. But if you know how to do this, simple. All you have to do is get a white handkerchief and a green handkerchief, and you can do this magic also. It is so simple. And now I'm going to rearrange the camera a little bit, and instead of sitting down and trying to entertain you, I'll show you something more. Ready, sir? So I get up. Okay. This goes out. And can you see me now? Perfect. Does this help?
Yes, yes, perfect.
Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I cannot do it alone. मैं जो करने जा रहा हूँ अकेला नहीं कर सकता. मेरे को एक मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, मैंने आपको एक ग्रीन हैंडकरचीफ दिखाया था. मैं ग्रीन हैंडकरचीफ का कलर चेंज करने वाला हूँ. Okay, right in front of your eyes, I'm going to change its color. No, I can't do it like this. मेरे को एक छोटी सी लड़की चाहिए, इतनी. नहीं, वहां से तो नहीं आ सकती ना यहाँ पर कहीं. तो मेरे पास एक लड़की है, मैं उसका इस्तेमाल करूंगा. Okay, I have a small ladki with me. I'm going to use that ladki with me to help me here, so that I can change the color of my handkerchief. It's very simple. I have this ladki in my hand. Yeah, ladki. क्या हुआ? नहीं? Yeah, what I'm going to do is very, very simple. Everybody can see this. There's no funny thing. I'm going to keep this handkerchief right here so that I'm not going to put it in that small hole in my hand. I'm going to keep it here, and I will bring it like that. The color will change right in front of your eyes. Watch carefully. ये लड़की, अच्छा इसीलिए नहीं, लड़की नहीं, sorry, I should have said लकड़ी. लकड़ी, लड़की नहीं, लकड़ी है. So this is the लकड़ी and this is my handkerchief, and I'm going to change the color. As soon as it comes towards you, you will notice that the color has changed. It's very simple. All I'm going to count is 3, 2. पहली बार कभी मैजिक होता ही नहीं ना. It will happen now. Just watch. Careful. Green handkerchief. लकड़ी. Green handkerchief. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And the color has changed. Oh, something went wrong. Something went. Oh, I didn't realize. I did not realize the color of the stick has changed. I was trying to see. This is what happens with a clown. I tried to do something. I was trying to change the color of the handkerchief, and the color of my stick changed suddenly. So now what we do is we'll try to change the color of the stick directly. I already have red. We'll have green, blue, purple, orange, banana. No banana, no banana, no apple. Red, green, blue, orange, purple, magenta, brown, and everything here. Okay? Don't blink your eyes. If you blink your eyes, you missed it. I am a very great magician. Believe me, I can turn this into a rainbow stick right now, right in front of your eyes. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Ah, Malik sir, when I said 3, 2, 1, आप push बोल सकते हैं?
Yeah.
Let's do a rehearsal. Let's do a rehearsal. 3, 2, 1. Ah, yes, good boy, good boy. Nice. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! All the colors, but not the stick. I don't know how you do it. मलिक साहब, आपके तो हुश्क में भी जादू है. आपने सिर्फ इतनी दूर से इंटरनेट पे हुश किया और पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे चेंज हो गया. Let's give it up. Let's clap for Malik साहब. Wonderful, sir. You are amazing. I don't know how you did it, but please clap for Malik साहब. अगर वो नहीं होते अभी यहाँ पर तो मैं मैजिक कर ही नहीं पाता. Okay, I've got something more to show you. Can you see this? Not this. This. You must be looking at something else. I'm talking about this. Now you can see this, right? You know what is this? This is my snake. Yeah, I have to hold it nicely because if I let it go, it jumps out at times. So I don't want that to happen. And this is a very beautiful person called Jam. Okay, I hope you can see me. Now
Yeah.
this is Jam, sweet person, and he's a snake. He can bite, but he does not bite right now. Okay, jam is such a wonderful fellow. Imagine a snake. You take his body and turn him around like this. Will he keep quiet? Never. But he's jam. He's a sweet boy. He doesn't do anything. Imagine a snake. You take his tail, put it inside, and make a knot like this. Do you think a snake will keep quiet? Nah, he'll bite you. But jam is a good boy. You cannot squeeze a snake, especially if you made a knot, you cannot squeeze it. But he's a good boy. And if I give him some magic powder, whoa, wonderful guy. Now I can show you my hand empty, hold him in my hand, and if I do like this and pull it down slowly, 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 the knot vanishes. It is so beautiful that the knot actually vanishes. I know you must be thinking something happened. तो मैं आपको एक बार फिर से दिखाता हूँ. Jam, sweet boy, make a turn in his body, take the tail, push it inside and make a knot. Simple. Aha! Tap, tickle, squeeze, nothing. What? Magic powder, magic powder. Whoop! Now I can show my hand empty, grab him in my hand, pull him down, and ta-da! It's very simple. And आपके यहाँ पे इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे, friends, dads, moms, teachers आए होंगे. I'm going to share this secret with you, if you allow me. आप बोलेंगे हाँ तो ही मैं सिखाऊंगा, नहीं तो मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा.
Definitely.
सिखा दो सर.
Yeah.
तो इसके लिए एक बहुत
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody is saying yes. I'm so
Yes,
happy.
sir.
All you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
is very, very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So it's very simple. Very simple. मैंने
Welcome,
सुन लिया.
sir.
Very simple.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. All you have to do is ये शो खत्म होने के बाद, ये इंटरव्यू खत्म होने के बाद आप नीचे से एक सांप लेके आना, स्नेक. हे मस्ती कर रहा हूँ, सही में जाओगे, नहीं तो आप सही में स्नेक नहीं लाना है. नाड़ा भी चलेगा, शूलेस भी चलेगा, पजामे का नाड़ा भी चलेगा. Okay, but just make sure nobody is wearing that pajama. नहीं तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. ओके, फिर उसको एक बार खींचो, दो बार खींचो, मेक अ ट्विस्ट, टेक द टेल, पुश इट इनसाइड एंड मेक अ नॉट. इतना तो सभी को आता है. इसके बाद क्या करना है? यू शो योर हैंड एम्प्टी. ओके, यू कैन शो योर सेकंड हैंड आल्सो एम्प्टी, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बिकॉज़ छुपाने वाली कोई बात ही नहीं है. Then you squeeze, 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 pull it down and the knot will vanish. इतनी आसान चीज है. कर दिया ना आपने? Exactly. देखो मैंने सिखा दिया आपको कैसे करना है. It is what? क्या हुआ? Why is everybody looking like this? क्या हुआ? श्रेयसी जी क्या हो गया? क्या नहीं हुआ?
Not is there, sir.
No.
Not is.
Not there. That is what I'm saying. Not there. आप भी बोल रहे हो not there, मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ not there. तो झगड़ा किस बात का है? Not there.
Still there.
Yeah, I am still there. Of course, I have to be there
The
until Malik
knot
comes.
The knot is still there.
Not.
The knot which you are holding.
Yes. I am holding. I am not holding anything in my hand. कुछ भी बोलते हो आप.
Jam is
I am
having a
not
knot.
holding anything in. Sorry.
Jam is having a knot.
Jam is what? Jam is having a knot. I know what went wrong. I will. Let me see. एक, दो, तीन. I remember. You know what happened? Magic powder
Didn't
भूल
put the
गया.
magic powder.
Exactly. See, now we can put magic powder. मलिक साहब मैजिक पाउडर है? नहीं, मैजिक पाउडर लगेगा. किसी को बोलो है तो देखो आपके जेब में होगा. मलिक साहब होगा आपके जेब में होगा.
मेरे पास है क्या?
किसके पास है? नाम बताओ.
लिरोय के पास है, लिरोय के पास.
लिरॉय जी प्लीज मैजिक पाउडर फेंको थोड़ा सा. बोलो, फेंकने के बाद बोलना फेंका. मैं आप देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ आपको मैं. रियली?
फेंका.
थोड़ा और चाहिए.
हाँ.
Wait, it works. It works. It works. It works so beautifully. आप कहाँ से लाते हैं मैजिक पाउडर, लीरा जी? Fantastic, हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है.
लाया था कल मैं गया था ना, उनको बोला था मैंने,
Perfect.
वो ले आई.
You are such a wonderful guy. You know what? आपका मैजिक पाउडर बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल है. बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल है. You know how? I can actually hold this in my hand and take this away like this. Really? You are a master, man. You are so great. I'm really so happy I could meet you today. आज मैं नहीं कर ही नहीं पाता नहीं तो यार. Yes, it's
Thank
happening.
you, sir.
Jam, not. And I have got somebody else called Sam. Sam is Jam's cousin.
Sam
हाँ,
Jam
तो तेरा-
brother.
Exactly. चाचा का लड़का है. Okay? सही में चाचा का लड़का है. इसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ये थोड़ा सा गुस्सेल है. तो इसको हम अभी ये रिंग पहनाते हैं. See? Da-da-dee-da. Nice, no? Now what we do is very simple. You hold it in my hand. I will say 1, 2, 3. And when I say 1, 2, 3, something wonderful will happen. Okay? It's very simple. The knot will vanish. You don't believe me, right? I know you don't believe me, but it will happen. Don't worry.
Yes.
Watch carefully. 1, 2. My screen is gone. Okay. 3. And if you do that and say 1, 2, 3, ta-da! See? The knot has vanished. It is not there anymore. The knot has vanished. It is not there anymore. See, the knot has vanished. It is not there anymore. You can't see
It
the
is
knot
in
at
your
all.
hand.
It is not
We
in
can
my
see.
hand. Why should
We can see.
Sir, the knot
it
is
is
there.
here?
Sir, the knot is there.
But
So
you
the
said
knot
it is
is
in my
there.
hand.
Yes, sir, the
But you
knot
said
is
it is
there.
in my hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the magic is gone. Otherwise, it would have vanished. मलिक सर, अभी आपका पाउडर चाहिए मेरे को. मलिक सर गए.
I want now the students to help you with the powder.
No powder.
So who will help him?
You
I
will
will.
help me?
Vidansh.
Yes, everybody help me, help me, help me, help me. This is so
Harsh.
beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Everybody say 1, 2, 3.
Eileen.
Just say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, chunk.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1,
It's
2,
coming
3.
up, it's coming up, it's coming up.
1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push.
1, 2,
Okay,
3.
now stop.
1, 2, 3. Whoosh.
Please stop. Because I've got so much of magic powder here now. I might fall down. Yes. And the magic is so strong. This time the magic powder is so strong. You don't know what has happened. This knot, which was sliding up and down, has now become a part of the whole rope. And all because of you guys who gave me such wonderful magic powder. I don't know आपने कैसे किया क्या किया, but you guys are simply amazing. And the magic is also still inside that. You are amazing. Let's clap for everybody out. Sorry. Let's clap for everybody out there. You guys are brilliant.
Thank you, sir.
Can I show them something else? मलिक साहब और कुछ दिखाऊं? बहुत अच्छी चीज है मेरे पास.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
you are
sir.
very intelligent people. Ta-da. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, now let me see what is inside that. What is inside that? There is a cup, which is actually a
Yes.
Santa cup, which I'm going to place right here. Can you keep seeing this? This is in vision. Everybody can see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very well.
And I have something inside this, which is also very interesting. Ta-da! Everybody knows what is this, right?
Yes, sir.
A Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube. It has got
A cube.
6 sides. A cube, 6 sides, 9 colors. No, sorry. 6 sides, 6 colors, 9 tiles on each side, right? And you can keep mixing it as you want. And I think 4 trillion combinations or something like that. Am I right? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what has happened is over the period I have been practicing so much and I have become so quick. I know you're not going to believe this, but hold your horses, take a deep breath, and believe me, I can solve. I think the world's record is 4 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't do it in 4 seconds. No, I can do it in 5 seconds or perhaps 7 seconds. But my specialty is I can do it
7
with one
seconds.
hand. 7 seconds? Okay, give me 10 seconds. I'm a clown now, so give me 10 seconds.
Okay, sir.
Not just that, I can solve it with one hand. Okay? And not just that, I can solve it when I drop it inside the bag. After I drop it inside the bag, with one hand, I will move it and move my cube like that and solve it. Looks very stupid, right? For a clown to say that. But what to do? I'm a clown and I got to do all these things. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
Malik
sir.
Saab, I want you to do me a favor. I'm going to keep twist. Malik Saab, इतने कहाँ से हो गए? एक ही मलिक साहब है यहाँ पर.
Now the show is all for the kids. They have hijacked that thing.
Okay, so any one person from there. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever I'm twisting, you can tell me to stop. Whenever I'm twisting, you can tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Now who said this?
Leroy.
Leroy.
Leroy. Now you hold your horses and let me go to who is there. Who else is there? Harshvardhan ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to twist it again and again, and you can tell me to stop after 3 or 4
Okay.
moves. Whenever you feel I should stop, I will stop and see that you stop me. If you want me, I can continue for one more time after this.
Stop.
You want me to
Stop.
stop here, or should you want me to
Yes.
go one step ahead or behind?
Here.
Okay,
Stop
Malik
here.
Saab, last time you will tell me to stop now. Okay?
Okay.
I'm just mixing up the cubes so that it becomes totally random.
Okay.
You want me to go ahead?
No,
See, what
stop.
happens is there is a little lag between your voice coming here and all. So I might continue after you tell me to stop.
Okay.
You tell me 3 or 4, so I'll do that many moves.
2.
2. So I'll do one move like this one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And I'll do one more move like this. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Now the cube is randomly mixed. Okay, now somebody can give me a timer. 10 seconds is all I need. 10 seconds is all I need. Okay, when I put my hand inside, you can start counting. You can
Okay.
start counting 10, 9, 8. Okay, when you say 1,
Okay.
I will bring it out.
10,
10, 9,
9,
8,
4,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
5,
1.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! It is so simple. I
It was
told
a
you.
solved cube.
I
It
am.
was
I
a
am
solved
There are 2
cube
cubes
in
in
this.
the polythene.
There are 2 cubes in the bag.
These people, क्या मलिक साहब कहाँ से आए हैं ये लोग? Whatever they are talking. See, my
Two.
cube is already solved so nicely.
One.
Beautiful.
Shows the packet. Shows the packet.
Shows
Shows the
What?
packet.
Oh, you
Cube
want
is
to see
in
that
the.
bag? That blue bag you want to see?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
See?
Pull it down.
Sir, please show it.
I'm showing it. This side also I show. This side also I
Inside
show.
this. Show inside this.
Or not.
I know. I know. You think there is something inside, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I put my hand inside. See, there is nothing inside. See, I'm putting my entire hand inside.
Show us.
See, there is nothing inside.
So show us.
Sir, but we want to, sir.
Inside.
I'll do one thing. I'll
But
turn
there
the
is
bag over
something.
like this. See, there is nothing inside.
You have
You,
hold
you have holded the cube.
I'm
You
not
hold
holding
it.
anything.
hold the cube from the right hand.
You hold it.
Crush it. Then crush it.
Crush what?
Crush
I
the
can't crush it. There is a cube inside.
See?
Oh,
You showed the magic.
your guys are very smart. Malik Sahab, your guys are very smart. Indeed, yes, that is a fact. I've got two cubes, one already solved, and the other one that I was continuing to mix up. Now there is actually nothing. Okay, now wait. It does not end there. Can you see this cube?
Yes.
Okay, and can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now just watch the fun. Okay, this is the cube that we mixed up. Three people gave me directions: Leroy, Harshvardhan, and Malik Saab, right?
Yes, sir.
And it was randomly mixed. This I had kept there and nobody touched it except me. Now, 4 trillion combinations, right? What is inside this is a silk handkerchief. What is else inside this is a Rubik's Cube. And if I take out the Rubik's Cube, there is nothing more inside. While you were telling me to mix up this, do you know what you people have done? You smart boys have done. Can you see what you have done?
So
You
we have
have
the same
Allah.
combination in the same cubes.
These are the same combination. See this? See this?
Yes.
See this?
Yes.
I don't know how you people did it, but you actually managed to get this cube in the exact combination that I had set up my cube inside my cup before I came on the show. This was already inside my cup. You people helped me do this, and I had given you options. You tell me to stop at whatever time you tell me to stop. You guys are amazingly brilliant. Let's clap for these brilliant people. Malik Sahab, you brought me to a wonderful team today. You are really, really. What?
Thank you,
You
sir.
want to see more? You want to see
Sir,
more?
teach us the cup magic
Yes, sir.
from the hanky.
What from the hanky?
From the hanky, the cum magic. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Oh, that is so simple. I can teach it to you right away. No worries. All you need is a handkerchief. Okay? This I will teach you.
Hmm?
Actually teach you. Keep it on your palm. Hold the center and pull it down and make it stand like a choti. Choti? Okay?
Done.
And all you got to say is come, 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 come. No?
No.
Okay. So I will tell you what. When you hold the choti like this, keep your thumb, your left hand thumb like this, not like this. Keep your thumb like this. So when you say come, 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 just pull your thumb down. Get it? Yay! He got it. Leroy got it. All you got to do is just pull it down, 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 down. This is advanced magic. Right? Anybody can do it. Anybody. I can do actually anything. I can change the color of this handkerchief also. You want to see?
Change the color of your shirt.
Yes.
Of my shirt. I'll have to put it for wash first. Then ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
Or
Okay, you
change
tell
the
me.
color of your nose.
Nose.
Who knows? Who knows? Okay, tell me something. You want to see something very intelligent or you want to see something very stupid?
Something intelligent.
I know stupid is already
Intelligent.
standing in front of you. Why do you want to see something stupid? Stupid is already standing in front of you. Right?
Yes.
No, you are not stupid at all.
I'll show you something intelligent. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good boy. Can you see what is this? Perfect, right?
Cardboard. A cardboard.
No, it is a notepad, a writing pad.
Oh,
Oh.
no bad.
Okay. Malik Sahab, are you there? Or anybody for that matter, but I want Malik
Yeah,
Sahab
yeah,
to be
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
I will use the pen of your choice. There's a green pen and a black pen. Let me
Okay.
see. Yeah. There's a green marker and a black marker.
Okay.
Malik Sahab there.
Yes, I'm there.
Which one do you want me to use? The green one or the black one?
Green.
I will use green one.
Sir,
So I'll
green.
keep the black one away. I've got a green one, right?
Okay.
Just to make this particular trick very, very personal. Okay, very, very personal. I'm going to ask you to give me, no, don't give me your ATM pin, but give me, no, I don't want an ATM pin. Give me any number that I can write here so that this becomes very original and unique.
Okay.
Don't tell me
Two.
Paramveer Malik or
Two.
something. No, Malik Saab will give.
2.
Okay, there is 1, 2,
7.
one more. Shall I
5.
write 7?
Yeah.
7 or 5?
7.
5. 10.
10. T, E,
Three.
N.
3.
And
Three.
3. Okay, we'll write 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now I've given it such a combination so that I could not have tried or set up in advance. Somebody will say this number. I didn't even know who's going to come here and who's not going to come here. Right? Does anybody know anything about ESP? Extrasensory powers?
No. No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
That something is lying on the table and you say move, move, you focus and you say move, 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 and that thing moves?
No.
No,
No?
sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
then
sir.
let us try it. What is this piece here? What is this piece of cutlery here?
Fork.
Fork.
It's a fork, right?
A fork.
Yes.
I'm going to remove this from here. With the number, it's still there. You can't forget the number, right? It is 2, 7, 5, 10, 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The piece of paper goes here. There is nothing on the back side. But what we are going to do is we are going to fold this. Can I fold it?
Yes.
Fold,
Yes, sir.
fold.
Yes,
It was
sir.
a printed piece of paper, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to fold. This is something that works in 3 dimension, 4 dimension, 5th dimension, and with the internet, you go to the 6th dimension. When you fold it, now everybody together, when I say 1, 2, 3, you say stay. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
1,
sir.
2, 3.
Stay.
Stay. Stay.
Now when I say 1, 2, 3, you say freeze.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Freeze.
Freeze.
You guys are amazing. You don't have any idea what you have done. Do you? Number is same, 2, 7, 5, 10, and 3. Let's clap. Really, really, really. You guys are such a wonderful lot of people. I have never ever had such smart people who are so powerful.
Thank
They can
you,
actually
sir.
do this. Malik sir, you have brought me to a stage where I don't have anything more. I don't know how these people are doing it, but this is all science. It can be done. If I can do it, you can do it. And actually today I have not done it. You have done it. What I can do, I can share with you. Do you want me to share that now?
Yes.
One last thing before I go.
Yes.
It's
Sir.
almost time to go. One last thing before I go.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Like, I love handkerchiefs. You know why you should always carry a handkerchief with you?
To do magic.
No. Good boy. I love you. But it is not only to do magic. You need to wipe your face. If you are in
Yes, sir.
public, you want to sneeze, you can use it to cover your face. And today's times, if you have forgotten to carry your mask, hey, where is my mask? I forgot my own mask. So don't worry. I told you I can do anything I want. I have got this beautiful, funny magic bag with me. I can do anything. I can produce anything from here.
No,
It is
first show
such a
is the
beautiful.
bag empty.
It is empty. You got to trust me. You never trusted me with that blue bag also. I kept on telling you it's empty. You never trusted me.
Yeah, you showed us the cube which was in.
So it was empty after that. There is nothing. Believe me, I'm going to put this white handkerchief inside this and you'll see. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my bag is no, it's not torn. Sorry, it's not torn. There's just a small zipper out here. I need to fix that. Yes. Now it is there, right?
Hmm.
Now I put this inside.
Yes, sir.
And because I am a clown, I'll want a red mask. Okay?
Okay.
Yes,
I'm going to
sir.
make a red mask. I'm going to make a red mask out of this.
Red
1, 2, 3, red. Ta-da! And this will turn into a red handkerchief or a red mask. Just watch this. See?
No. Your
It's a-
magic didn't work.
That is the trouble with this magician. My magic never works alone. We have to be in a one unit thing. You have to hold my hand, make it stronger. Will you do that for me?
Yes,
Sir, sure.
yes,
Love
sir.
you, my
We will
friend.
do it.
So what you have to do is when I put this inside and I shake it like this. Oh, sorry. It inside. Ish, stay inside. Okay. You have to say, because I love the color red and I want my matching bow tie and my matching mask.
Okay.
All
sir.
of us will say red, red, red. Okay.
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 Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me get into the position. On your marks, get set.
Set,
1,
go.
2, 3.
Red, red, red.
Stop.
Red.
And it has become red.
No.
Next up was that you laughing?
again.
I think नहीं सभी ने बोलना चाहिए. Everybody has to say red, red, red. There are 35, 37, 398 people here and nobody saying yeah, red, red, red. So you say red, red, red. And when I put my hand like this, everybody stops. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Did I hear a familiar voice there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much. Love you. Thank you so much. Okay, so it is 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Red,
When everybody does that exactly, I can put my hand inside and say,
The handkerchief is gone. You open the zip.
Hanky is gone.
Hanky is gone.
So the
hanky
hanky is gone.
Gone or I don't know. But what I have is, look at that.
Bread.
And somebody is very hungry. It is lunchtime. Somebody is saying bread, bread, bread.
It's not
Instead of
like
saying red, red,
sir.
red.
It's very
Instead of
early.
saying red, 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 some person here who's a bigger magician than I am is saying bread, bread, bread. Somebody is very hungry.
I
Don't
think
say
so.
bread. I said
He or
red, red,
she
red.
is hungry.
Not only hungry, he's spoiling my magic or she's spoiling my magic here.
No, sir.
People will
Please
laugh at
don't
me.
say that.
People will laugh at me.
No.
Mama. I'm not going to cry like that. You know what? I'm not going to cry like that. Ask me why?
Why?
Because I'm happy. I let people laugh at me. My idea is to make people laugh at me so you don't laugh at somebody else. When somebody
Yes,
slips
sir.
and falls,
That's
we
true.
love to laugh, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When somebody makes a mistake, we love to laugh, right?
Yes.
When
No,
we
sir.
make
No,
a
no, sir.
mistake, we not only you, my friend, it's general, it's normal. But when I make a mistake or you make a mistake, you don't want people to laugh at you. You feel sad, right? You sulk.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I decide that I make mistakes, so you get a chance to laugh at me. Isn't that wonderful? Because if you laugh at somebody else, that person feels bad, right? Just as you would feel bad if somebody laughed at you, right? So
Yes.
instead of allowing somebody else to laugh at somebody else, I tell all of you, come and laugh at me. So that nobody else has to get worried and I enjoy people laughing at me. That's why I'm called happy. Isn't
Yes,
that
sir.
beautiful? Can all of us do that? Not laugh at others, but let people laugh at yourself.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Okay, so let us
Yes.
do something interesting with this bread now. We can make a sandwich. We can just
Yeah.
eat
No,
it like
no.
that.
Don't
No, no, no,
eat
no,
it.
no. I can't keep it like a mask also because then people will laugh again.
Yes,
But I want my
sir.
mask. I don't have a mask, so I want a mask. Please help me with a mask. Yes. So I'm going to put it inside. I'm going to put it inside and we're going to make a mask now. All of us together. We will say 3, 2, 1. Mask, mask, mask. Let's do that. 3,
Mask,
2,
mask,
1.
mask.
Mask, mask, mask.
Mask.
Bus, bus, bus. And hey, you guys are really amazing. You
Why,
guys
sir?
are really, really, really marvelous people. You actually have got a mask for me. See, it has got 2 tails also and nothing inside this side.
Wow.
And you
Amazing.
have actually, wow, you guys have given me a beautiful mask. Look at that. What a beautiful.
Wow.
Hey, that is not a mask. It's a chaddi.
What?
Again, somebody is playing games with me. See, is this a mask? Can I wear it
No,
here or
sir.
can I wear it here? You guys, I don't know. Malik sir, ये क्या हो रहा है? कभी bread करते हैं,
Somebody's
कभी चड्डी
pranking
निकालते
you,
हैं.
sir.
So,
Somebody's doing a prank
he's
with you.
pranking me, right?
Yes, I think
Somebody is
somebody is
pranking me,
pranking.
but that, you know what, sir, Malik sir, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. These people don't know my size. ये मेरे को कहाँ से fit आएगा दम? ये तो मेरे को fit
I
आने
think
से रहा.
it is of your grandson, 2 days old grandson. It's a baby diaper.
It is, and I cannot wear it here also. People will laugh more. If I wear it here, people will laugh more. If I wear it here, I don't know what. And if I don't wear it, there'll be a problem. So, I know what to do. I'm a magician. मैं इसका size बड़ा कर दूंगा. थोड़ा सा. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And that is my size. Hey, this is not my size. No, no, no.
This is
not
Santa
my
Claus's size.
No, no, no.
This is Santa Claus's size.
Perhaps 2 Santa Claus can
This
come
is
inside. Let me see.
COVID, sir.
Yeah, perhaps 2 Santa Claus can come inside. Not one. Oh, mama. If I try this, no, 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 no. Santa Claus will get very upset if I do this. So I don't want to do that. Santa Claus is a very, very nice person. He will get gifts for all of us who are on his nice list. Are you guys on the nice list or the naughty list?
Nice
Nice
list.
list.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, so people who are on social media would already know who I am. People who are not can follow me through Malik Saab, Praveen Tulpule, Happy Uncle. And thank you so much, Malik Saab, for getting me here. I'm going to draw my chair and sit down so that should there be any question or something, I can answer that. But never, never go out without a mask. Maintain your social distancing and let people laugh at you. It is okay to be different. I am different.
Yes,
So
sir.
people
students,
can laugh at me.
Students, should we allow him to go?
No, sir.
Oh,
No.
No, sir.
Okay, I will teach you one magic and then can you let me go?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so not one, I will teach you 2 magic tricks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Only one is very simple, the other one is even more simple.
देखकर जाओ.
So you show people how many is this
One,
and see suddenly how
One.
many do you see now?
2.
2.
No, it is actually only one.
You close the finger.
See now how many are
I
there?
can also do it.
2.
Only one.
See?
Sir.
Oi, Prathamveer can also do that. Such a nice guy. Prathamveer, handsome guy. Congratulations. Happy birthday.
Happy
Sonakshi,
birthday,
you can also do it?
sir.
Sonakshi's birthday. Let's clap for Sonakshi's birthday. Wonderful.
No, sir.
Okay, you didn't like this magic. I already taught 2 people. Prathamveer I have taught and Sonakshi I have taught. Okay, now
Okay,
I will
sir.
teach you the magic of toying. This is called the magic of toying.
Okay.
Okay, see, this is called 1 and this is called 2. Can you see that?
Yes.
Perfect. And when I say ting, 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 nothing happens. Yeah, keep your fingers down, keep your hands down. Don't do that. Let me do that. Ting, 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 nothing happens. But if I say ting, ting, tong, something happens. 1, 2. Ting, ting, tong. Oh my. Look at that. Ting, ting, tong. Ting, ting, tong. Ting, ting, tong. So interesting. By mistake, if you say ting, ting, tung. Okay, if you say ting, ting, tung, something totally different happens. Ting, ting, tong. Ting, ting, tong. Ting, ting, tong. Ting, ting, tung. See, one finger falls down. No problem. You put a hand in your pocket, take out that spare finger and put it back there immediately like that. Very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can do it. See, I taught you 2 magic tricks. You can show me how to do that. And perhaps when everybody is doing, Malik Saab can take a screenshot or a video.
Tong.
Everybody on the
Arjun.
screen. 1, 2. Ting, ting,
Ting, ting,
tong.
tong.
Ting,
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 tong.
tong.
So
Don't say
wait.
tung.
Ting,
Don't
ting,
say
tong.
tung.
Ting, ting, tung. Oh, I have one finger. I will take it out from my pocket. Put it.
Yes.
Ting, ting, tong.
Perfect.
Ting,
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 chong.
tong. Ting, ting,
Perfect.
tong.
Sir, can you use the magic of the fork one?
Sorry?
Sir, can you use the folding magic that you just showed, the fork one?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is when you grow up gradually, not at this age, perhaps a little when you grow up a little more, because this requires more concentration and focus. Not everybody can do that, but I will positively share with you. I think perhaps you are young enough right now not to be on social media, and that's a very good thing right now. But your dad or mom or your elder brother can perhaps contact me and we will share more fun. I may not teach you
Okay,
magic,
sir.
but we'll positively have fun, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. And it was such a wonderful thing. Okay, but for all the benefit of the other people right now, you people must be getting ready for your lunch.
Yes, sir.
And I will be getting ready to go to sleep. You
Why,
know
sir?
why? Because I am not in India right now. I'm in the USA.
Oh.
I'm on the west coast of USA in California. But
Bye, sir.
I had to meet my special friends today. So since
So
Malik
we
sir
are
said,
so
let us meet
special.
them. You are very special. You are not so special. All of you are very, very special. Thank you so much for being there.
Thank you,
Wonderful job
sir.
Malik sir and his team is doing. So